So 2 weeks ago, there's a release of a short ETF. The ProShares Short Bitcoin ETF released it in the US as a strategy to give investors a way to profit from the decline in the Bitcoin market. We saw a daily net inflow of 1,684 BTC 2 days ago, essentially doubling the vehicle's holding to 3,086 Bitcoin, according to a Norway-based crypto analysis. So it's roughly around $59 million. This doesn't sound like a bad idea based on this current market condition. However, let me show you a Bitcoin history chart. In 2018, we have the first Bitcoin future launch. Bitcoin went from 20k, dropped to under 4k in 2018. April 2021, Coinbase was listed on Nasdaq. Another good news, right? Bitcoin sort of peaked at around 63k and dropped to 30k in April to around, I think, June time. And then end of 2021, we had the first long Bitcoin ETF launch. Bitcoin peaked at around 68k. Today, we are trading at $20,000 and they had the launch of a Bitcoin short ETF. So is it just a simple case of sell the good news and buy the fears? Let me dive into the chart and show you what I see. Thank you.